Hi everybody, so I just got through doing dishes and I have a tub of dish soap and I thought, well, I am going to wash as much of the RV as I can, and I have this wonderful creek down here where I can get some fresh clean water for rinsing. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so it's all rinsed out and I've got a new bucket of water and 2 buckets that I just carried up. Now I'm just going to rinse it off. Okay, so I look a little worse for wear, but this side is looking much better. And I'm going to go in. I've got some off sprayed on me, but the mosquitoes are horrible. I figure if I do one side a day, you can see where I'm getting bit. I figure if I do one side a day, that I'll have, by the time we end our 5-day camping limit here, I'll have all 4 sides done. And then before we head out, I can armor all, like my spare tire and this, and Windex my windows. But, oh, and dust it off one last time with this, which is a duster. Right now, it's a mosquito fly chaser. Okay, everybody, we'll see you down the road. Keep on keeping on. the river.